Creating hyperlinks in HTML. While surfing the internet, you come across several text strings or images which, when clicked, open a different web page. These text strings or images are called hyperlinks. Hyperlinks interconnect the web pages over the World Wide Web. Anchor A tag. The Anchor A tag is used to create hyperlinks in a web page. It is a container tag. Any text or image enclosed within A and \A tags is displayed as a hyperlink. Table 5.3 illustrates some of the most important attributes of the A tag. Attributes. Description. href. This attribute indicates the destination of the link. Span. This attribute is used for linking sections on the same web page. It indicates the name of the section within a web page. Types of linking in HTML. There are 3 types of linking in HTML. They are external linking, internal linking, email linking. External linking. The external linking involves connecting 2 different web pages. When you click a hyperlink, a new web page to which the hyperlink is linked gets displayed in the browser window. You can link pages within the same directory or to any other page over the internet. Following table highlights some of examples of external linking. Linking pages within the same directory. Linking to pages over the internet. First.html links to second.html. First.html links to Google web page. HTML source code in first.html. A href is equal to second.html. Click to open second file \a. HTML source code in first.html. A href is equal to http://www.google.com. Click here to open Google web page \a. The following HTML code illustrates the use of A tag in the file first.html to link to different web pages. The output of the aforementioned HTML code is shown below. Output after clicking the first link. When you click on the first link, the contents of the web page second.html are displayed in the browser window. When you click the second link, the home page of Google gets displayed in the browser window. Types of linking in HTML. There are 3 types of linking in HTML. They are external linking, internal linking, email linking. Internal linking. Internal linking involves linking various sections of the same web page. This type of linking is useful when a web page is very long. It lets the user view the desired section of a page quickly. Internal linking serves as a bookmark to go to a particular segment of the web page. This helps the user to quickly jump to the information he or she is looking for. For example, go to top of the page, link in web pages is an example of internal linking. Internal linking is a 2-step process. Step 1. Use the name attribute of the A tag to give a name to the section to be linked to. Example, a name XYZ. You will be linked here \a. Step 2. Use of the href attribute of the A tag to refer to the named section preceded by the hashtag symbol. Example, A href is equal to #XYZ. You will be taken to the linked section \a. The following HTML code demonstrates the use of name and href attributes of A tag to link to the next go to top of the page on the top of the page. Email linking. HTML A tag provides you option to specify an email address to send an email. While using A tag as an email tag, you will use mail to binuvarghese06@gmail.com along with href attribute. Following is the syntax of using mail to instead of using HTTP. This code will generate the following link which you can use to send email. Now, if a user clicks this link, it launches one email client like Lotus Notes, Outlook Express, etc. installed on our user's computer. There is another risk to use this option to send email because If user do not have email client installed on their computer, then it would not be possible to send email. Understand HTML lists in detail. HTML offers 3 ways for specifying lists of information. All lists must contain one or more list elements. Lists may contain UL, an unordered list. This will list items using plain bullets. OL, an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. DL, a definition list. This arranges your items in the same way as they arranged in a dictionary. HTML unordered lists. An unordered list is a collection of related items that has no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. This will produce the following output. The type attribute. You can use type attribute for UL tag to specify the type of bullet you like. By default, it is a disk. Following are the possible options. UL type is equal to square, UL type is equal to disk, UL type is equal to circle. Example, following is an example where we used UL type is equal to square. This will produce the following result. Example, following is an example where we used UL type is equal to disk. This will produce the following result. Example, following is an example where we used UL type is equal to circle. This will produce the following result. HTML ordered list. If you are required to put your items in a numbered list instead of bulleted, then HTML ordered list will be used. This list is created by using OL tag. The numbering starts at 1 and is incremented by 1 for each successive ordered list element tagged with LI. Example, this will produce the following result. Type attribute. You can use type attribute of OL tag to specify the type of numbering you like. By default, it is a number. Following are the possible options. OL type is equal to 1. Default case numerals. OL type is equal to I. Uppercase numerals. OL type is equal to small I. Lowercase numerals. OL type is equal to A. Uppercase letters. OL type is equal to small a. Lowercase letters. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to 1. This will produce the following result. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to I. This will produce the following result. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to small I. This will produce the following result. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to A. This will produce the following result. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to A. This will produce the following result. Start attribute. You can use start attribute for OL tag to specify the starting point of numbering you need. Following are the possible options. OL type is equal to 1, start is equal to 4. Numerals start with 4. OL type is equal to small I, start is equal to 4. Numerals starts with 4. OL type is equal to small I, start is equal to 4. Numerals starts with 4. OL type is equal to small a, start is equal to 4. Letters start with D. OL type is equal to A, start is equal to 4. Letters starts with D. Example. Following is an example where we used OL type is equal to I, start is equal to 4. This will produce the following result. Quick recap. HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. HTML is used to create pages which are rendered over the web. HTML provides tags which are used to navigate from one page to another and is heavily used in internet navigation. HTML pages nowadays works well on all platforms, mobile, tabs, desktop, or laptops owing to responsive design strategy. HTML pages once loaded can be made available offline on the machine without any need of internet. HTML5 has native support for rich experience and is now useful in gaming development arena as well. HTML also has 6 levels of headings which use the elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. P-tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Whenever you use the BR/element, anything following it starts with the next line. You can use center tag to put any content in the center of the page or any table cell. There are 3 types of linking in HTML. They are external linking, internal linking, and email linking. HTML A tag provides you option to specify an email address to send an email.